Guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I have some instant back to school cleaning motivation for you. My little one started school this past week and life has just been total chaos, and I just needed to put my house back in order. This video isn't anything crazy, but I figured I would film it for you. I'm just kind of going through and doing like the super basics. So like I said, this is just some like quick instant cleaning motivation. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know if your little one has gone back to school. I know not everybody in the country has gone back to school yet. I know like different states are starting at different times, but we just started this week, and like I said, it's been crazy. Evelyn has been home with me for 6 months full time. And we did homeschool throughout, like from the beginning of quarantine, even through the summer. But it's just different when you're full on homeschooling. It's a little bit more of a lax schedule, and you can kind of go at your own pace. And with school, things can just kind of get a little nutty. So, yeah, I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna let some music play, and I'll be back in a little bit.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no
So I'm actually going to wrap up in my kitchen, and then that is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to do a good once over of my kitchen. Nothing crazy. I didn't do the floors, but I'm just going to like wipe down the counters, hand wash some dishes, make sure I get the dishwasher loaded, and clean my stove. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please say don't be shy. Say hi in the comments. Let me know how you guys are doing with just back to school, if you're distance learning, if you're going crazy or you're managing fine. We are all in this together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So with all that being said, I'm going to let some more music play, and I will see you next time.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Used to feel like it was just us. Guess I thought I was in love. 'Cause if I wasn't, who was I? And why'd you stay those mornings? I hope you felt something too. And how we used to waste our days just listening to songs I made. Yeah, they're all about you. Yes, that's what I get for trying. I'm half in love and half on fire. Thought that you would be too. But maybe that's what I deserve. Fall trying. I'm half in love and half on fire. Thought that you would be too. Maybe that's what I deserve. Fall too quick, not to get burned. Hope I find another you, find another you. Hope I find you, hope I find you. Hope I find you, hope I find you. Find another you.
Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song. So let your eyes take you where